Only NBC 10 is there as a Bucks County teacher charged with child sexual abuse material is arrested again, this time by the FBI. Hello and thank you for joining us. I'm Fred Shropshire.
I'm Jacqueline London. Back in June, Richard Adamski was arrested after being accused of downloading child sex abuse material. But while he was free on bail, new information surfaced that led to his federal arrest. Now he is once again in custody. NBC 10's Deanna Durante is joining us live in Warminster with an update on this investigation tonight. Deanna.
Well, Richard Adamski showed up here for a hearing at 1 o'clock. He walked into court, and when he got inside, FBI agents were waiting for him. They arrested him and brought him back out. He's now in federal custody. It is the first time we've seen Richard Adamski publicly. The 65-year-old was arrested in late June. Police say the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children reported to law enforcement a possible downloading of child sexual abuse material. Investigators linked the IP address of the account to this home and Adamski's Verizon account. Adamski's house and car were searched, his devices seized. He was a teacher at Nativity of Our Lord Catholic School in Warminster and a youth sports coach.
Today was the scheduled preliminary hearing in front of the district judge in Warminster, and quite frankly, I expected there to be a preliminary hearing.
It was a shock, Christopher Serpico says, to arrive to court and learn his client was gone, taken into custody by the FBI. But you're not hearing that there's any new information, new charges?
I'm not aware of any new charges. It seems to me that the charges that have been filed against him by the Department of Justice are the very same charges that have been filed by the Bucks County District Attorney's Office.
According to documents filed in June, Adamski told police he'd been downloading child sexual abuse material for years. And when asked how many images, his response to them? Too many. Sources say evidence collected showed hundreds of images had been found and point to a possible reason why the FBI is now taking Adamski into custody.
It doesn't happen very often.
At the time of his arrest, the Archdiocese said there had been no complaints against Adamski as a teacher or a coach. The 65-year-old didn't say anything as he was taken into custody by the FBI. Now, at this point, the case here in Bucks County has been put on hold for the next 30 days, but it does appear, according to sources, that the federal government is going to take over the prosecution of this case. At the time of his arrest in June, the DA did ask for folks who had information about Adamski to come forward. It's unclear if any of that information came to her office or the federal government at this point. Reporting live in Warminster, Deanna Durante, NBC 10 News.